And there is a split within the Congress and it's out in the open ahead of elections. Amid calls for sweeping organizational reforms and an active party precedent by a section of Congress leaders, Rahul Gandhi has made some stunning claims. During his virtual interaction with Professor Kaushik Basu of Cornell University yesterday, the Congress MP said that he was attacked by his own party men as he pressed for elections in the youth organization and student organization of the party. The former Congress president went on to say the democratic election within the party is absolutely critical, but asked as to why no other party is questioned over its internal democracy. His remarks assume significance as it comes in the backdrop of a group of 23 senior leaders within the party writing to Sonia Gandhi last year demanding complete overhaul of party organization.
I'm the person who pushed elections in the youth organizations, pushed elections in the student organizations, got serious beating in the press for that. I was literally crucified for doing elections, right? I was attacked by my own party people. So I'm the first person that says, look, democratic elections within parties absolutely critical. But I got a question for you. It's interesting to me that this question is not asked about any other party. Nobody asked the question, why is there no internal democracy in the BJP?
कांग्रेस के कार्यकर्ताओं को और नेताओं को अब ऐसा लगने लगा है कि उनका नेतृत्व उनको जीत नहीं दिला सकता और इसलिए अपने भविष्य के बारे में वो संभ्रमित है और इस कारण कांग्रेस में अस्वस्थता है। मुझे लगता है कि कांग्रेस अपने अस्तित्व की लड़ाई लड़ रही है।
देखो, अब जब नीतियों का संकट होता है तो नेतृत्व में कंटक होता ही है और आज जो है वो नीतियों में कांग्रेस पार्टी के बहुत बड़ा संकट है। नीतियां नकारात्मकता से पूरी तरह से चूर चूर करके भरी हुई हैं। इसलिए उनके जो पुराने लीडरशिप है, जो लोग कांग्रेस को अपने आप को कांग्रेसी कहते हैं, वो भी जो है वो इस वक्त हताश निराश हैं।
Also, Congress MP Rahul Gandhi has said that emergency imposed by former Prime Minister Indira Gandhi was a mistake. He's attacked the RSS, saying that what happened during the emergency was wrong, but was fundamentally different from the current situation. The former Congress president alleged that RSS is destroying institutions by appointing their own people. Now, sharpening his attack, Rahul said there is one big institution called the RSS that is penetrating all institutions and attacking independence. He's also added that the present situation is different from emergency, as institutions were not attacked during that time as opposed to what is happening now. Now, the opposition, of course, is citing Rahul Gandhi's statement demanding an apology from Prime Minister Modi for the Gujarat riots.
The fundamental difference between what happened in the emergency and it was wrong and what is happening now. The Congress party at no point attempted to capture India's institutional framework. And frankly, the Congress party doesn't even have that capability. Our design doesn't allow us that. Even if we want to do it, we can't do it. The RSS is doing something fundamentally different. They're actually filling the institutions with their people. So look, even if we defeat the BJP in an election, we are not going to get rid of their people in the institutional structure. I think that was a mistake. Absolutely, that was a mistake. And my grandmother said as such.
It's fascinating you're saying this because, I mean, I did think that was dreadful. It should not have happened, the emergency.
यही है राहुल जी में वो बहुत वर्षों बाद सोचते हैं। 1975 में इमरजेंसी लगी थी, हम भी जेल गए थे और इतने पीछे उनका सोच चलता है तब की बात उन्हें लग रही कि अब गलती थी, हालांकि देर आए दुरुस्त आयत।
राहुल गांधी को आरएसएस समझने में बहुत समय लगेगा। आरएसएस देशभक्ति की सबसे बड़ी पाठशाला है दुनिया की और इसलिए दुनिया में उसका आदर है और भारत में इसकी भूमिका है लोगों में अच्छा परिवर्तन लाना और लोगों को देशभक्ति के लिए प्रेरित करना, यही संघ करता है।
कांग्रेस नेता राहुल गांधी जी ने 45 साल बाद स्वीकारा कि इमरजेंसी का निर्णय एक गलत निर्णय था। कहीं ना कहीं कांग्रेस ने अपनी गलतियों को स्वीकारा है, दिल्ली के दंगे पे माफी मांगी। अब भारतीय जनता पार्टी की बारी है कि प्रधानमंत्री मोदी जी और भारतीय जनता पार्टी ये स्वीकारें कि गुजरात का दंगा कहीं ना कहीं गलत था और उसको लेके एक बार फिर भारतीय जनता पार्टी से हम सवाल करते हैं, अगर कांग्रेस गलतियों को सुधार रही है तो वे कब अपनी गलती को स्वीकारेंगे वो लोगों को बताएंगे।
Hi everyone, Preeti Chaudhary here. Hope you like this video. For latest news and analysis, like and subscribe to the India Today YouTube channel. And don't forget to press the bell icon to stay updated. Thank you for watching.